Come on, man. This shit's getting heavy.
No, dude.
Go. Right. No, bug off. I don't want one.
Lighten up a little, why don't
Fuck off, kid.
Hey.
You got this. What an attitude.
This is it. Put the typewriter right there.
So what do we do now? I'm really late.
First of all, give him the tent. Now recite exactly what I told you to say and fill the tent in.
This was her tent. I fucked her in this tent.
A little more feeling.
I fucked her in this tent. She's probably gonna fuck a lot of other guys.
She's off to a good start.
She's not gonna fuck him in this tent.
She's not gonna fuck him in this tent.
She's not gonna fuck him in this tent.
Throw it in. Now the typewriter.
Come on, man.
Look, I don't want to throw the
Well,
typewriter
you gotta
in.
throw the typewriter in. That's why we
I've
brought it
been
over
thinking
here.
about it. I don't want to throw it in. It's just stupid.
This is juvenile. This is a
Here,
perfectly
you
good
shut
time.
up. When he throws the typewriter and read the passage that's marked in the book.
Look, man, this
Throw
is
it in.
stupid. I'm not gonna throw it in, man.
This is
Stupid.
stupid. Why the hell is he throwing it in? It's a perfectly good
Because
typewriter.
the typewriter isn't the point. The point is it symbolizes the bitch that just fucked him over. It symbolizes the bitch that fucked me over 6 months ago, and it symbolizes the bitch that's gonna fuck you over.
I don't want to read your book.
Here, you
I'm
read it.
I'm not gonna read this.
It will make a lot
fucking
more
book.
sense if you read it.
I'm not gonna- Hey!
God!
See how easy that was? No problem. Now, it all makes sense if you just read this passage here. What'd you do with the bookmark?
I didn't do anything with the bookmark.
There wasn't one in
This
here.
is when Leopold discovers that he's just been fucked over by his wife. He says, if he had smiled, why would he have smiled? To reflect that each one who enters imagines himself to be the first to enter, whereas he is always the last term of a preceding series, even if the first term of succeeding one, each imagining himself to be first, last, only, and alone, whereas he is neither first, nor last, nor only, nor alone in a series originating in and repeated to infinity. Hey, wait up.